Welcome to today's video. In this video, we will draw and color a playful and adorable dolphin. Let's begin the drawing. Dolphins are intelligent and friendly marine animals, well known for their cheerful nature and strong communication skills. They usually live in groups and work together when hunting for food. Dolphins have streamlined bodies, smooth skin, and are very fast swimmers. One of their most beautiful traits is how they often leap out of the water, creating truly eye-catching moments. When drawing a dolphin, soft curves and its signature smile help bring the artwork to life, making it look lively, charming, and full of joy. Now, let's start coloring. And just like that, we finished drawing and coloring the dolphin. It looks adorable, doesn't it? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support the channel.